since I was small.
Every pony will gather round. See, I look lovely in my gown. What they don't know is that I have fooled them all.
This day was going to be perfect, the kind of day of which I dreamed since I was small.
But instead of having cake with all my friends to celebrate my wedding bells, they may not ring for me at all.
I could care less about the dress, I won't partake in any cake. Vows, well, I'll be lying when I say
that through any kind of weather, I want us to be together. The truth is I don't care for him at all.
No, I do not love the groom. In my heart there is no room.
But I still want him to be all mine.
Must escape before it's too late. Find a way to save the day. Hope I'll be lying if I say
I don't fear that I may lose him to one who wants to use him, not care for love and charity.